Welcome to iClicknPrint. In this demo, we'll show you a few examples of poster board projects that you can create using iClicknPrint and Royal Bright's poster board. When you select the poster board category, you will not see poster board, but sheets of different paper sizes. When you select a size, you can use iClicknPrint to design a series of sheets which you can attach to your poster board project. For poster board, we recommend using 8.5 by 14 size paper because it will cover most of your board while leaving colorful margins. In this first example, we're going to create a tag sale sign. Use the horizontal button at the top of the screen to give your page a landscape orientation. By doing this, you can best fit the largest size text for your sign. Add a text box by using the text box icon at the top of the screen. Stretch the text box to fit the width of your page. You can write your title in one text box or split it between two text boxes to fit it more effectively. Copy a text box by first selecting it and then using the copy and paste icons at the top of the screen. Highlight any text that you wish to change. Be sure to stay within your text box when you highlight. Use the features in the right-hand menu to adjust your text accordingly. For this example, we're going to split our heading into two text boxes. In this example, we use the stencil font to make our text more visible from a distance. Use the arrow keys on your keyboard to precisely adjust the position of each text box. Now that we've finished our sign header, we're going to add a new page to display the address for our sale. As you can see, you now have two identical pages queued up at the bottom of your screen. Simply edit this new page to include the address for your sale. Once you've finished the information about your address, you can add a new page to show the time of your sale and other details about it. It may help to provide information about what you're selling at your sale to draw more people to it. When you print, all of the pages you've added will print out sequentially, one after the other. When you're ready to print your pages, click on the print icon in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Preferences to set up your page. Make sure that the orientation is set to landscape, and that the paper size is 8.5 by 14, or legal size. In your printer list, make sure that you have the correct printer selected. When you're ready, print your pages. The following is a brief presentation about how you can assemble your poster board sign. In the pictured example, we used one sheet of 22 by 28 neon green poster board and printed the contents for our poster board on 3 sheets of 8.5 by 14 sign board in assorted neon colors. Secure your printouts to your sign by using double-sided tape or rubber cement. Using a variety of neon colors on your sign will make it attractive and eye-catching. Consider adding shapes, borders, or other accessories to your poster board sign to make it unique. Whether you are a student or a teacher, you can also use iClicknPrint to make school projects. In this example, we're going to make a Student of the Month display using 8.5 by 11 paper. Click on Suggested Wording to open the Student of the Month wording. Here, you'll find a layout that includes some ideas on what to include for your Student of the Month display. We recommend that you include a decorative heading, a space for the student's picture, and various details about the student. To build your project off of this layout, you can start by adding a new page. Our first page is going to include the text for the header. Delete all of the other text boxes on your page, apart from the header text boxes. Changing the orientation of the page to landscape will let you use the most space to make your text. Do this by clicking the horizontal button at the top of the screen. The orientation of your text will stay with the page, so you will need to rotate it back to the correct position. In the Properties tab, change the rotation of your text by using the arrow keys, or by inputting a number by hand. Proceed to create your page header. You can change the size of your header in one text box, put it in several text boxes, or change it however you like. In this example, we've set up the header so that after you print, you can cut out each word individually and arrange it on your board however you like. Be sure to personalize the name of your student and the appropriate date. When you're finished personalizing your header, return to the original layout. Next, we're going to design the student's picture page. Start by adding another new page. Delete all of the items on the layout apart from the student's picture box. You can adjust the size of this border and print it out blank so that later on you can add a picture of the student. If you are using this method, use the rulers along the top and sides of iClicknPrint to adjust the size of your border to fit the picture that you intend to use. Another method you can use is importing a picture of the student directly into iClicknPrint. Import a picture by using the Add Image icon at the top of the screen. Import the appropriate file. Expand the size of the picture and change the border accordingly. If you want, you can always change the color of this border by selecting it and then clicking on the border fill options in the right-hand menu. You can use shapes and lines to make the page more decorative. Select a shape outline, inside color, and border color for your shape. Copy the shape by using the copy and paste icons at the top of the screen. Make as many copies as you need. You can do a lot with shapes to create a decorative page. When finished, return to the main layout once again. Interact with your student to personalize the display. Include whatever information you feel will be best to make a special tribute for this student. In this case, we'll demonstrate how to include all of your information in one text box. Stretch the text box to fit the page. Edit your text and position each section according to your preference. List your students' achievements or details about why they are successful. Design however many more pages you want. When you print, all of the pages you have queued up will print out sequentially, one after the other. If you set the orientation of any of your pages to landscape, be sure to print those separately using the landscape setting in your printer preferences. Thanks for using iClicknPrint. We hope you enjoy using iClicknPrint with Royal Bright's poster board. Please contact our customer service team if there's anything you need assistance with.